Hey guys, if you're someone who's been struggling online, you haven't got a clue what you're doing, you're really confused, there's lots of information out there, lots of different courses or software you can buy, watch this video because this is really going to help you out and basically save you a lot of money in the process. Now, I started online many years ago, and basically what I was doing is like spending so much money on different types of products, different types of software, thinking I was missing something because there's some kind of strategy that I'm not getting. And the reality is it's a lot simpler than you think to actually make money. You've got to find a trusted mentor, and you've got to find a course that actually works for you. Now, I'm going to recommend something to you today. There's literally $1. I'll tell you that up front, and it'll get you started from actually selecting a topic you're going to start a business in to actually having an established business all in one course. Now, it's called Taking Action Online, and I'm actually going to jump inside right now, and I'm going to show you inside Taking Action Online, and I want you to really consider this because this is something that really helped me establish a proper business online. So as I said, this product is called Taking Action Online. And the idea is that it's going to take you from having no idea what you're doing as far as creating a business is concerned to actually having a business that makes money online. Now, it doesn't really matter what you do. You could be in affiliate marketing, you could be in CPA marketing, social media marketing. This is really going to help you because it gives you all of the key components that you need to build a business. So I'm going to jump inside and show you what you get. And this is all for $1, remember. So basically what you get is a number of items here. Now you're going to have a foundation module, which is a bunch of videos that really kind of set the tone for you and allow you to actually get your mindset right. And these are all going to be about 3 to 5 minutes long. And basically these are some key topics that you need to know before you get started really building your own business. So it's all about how you're actually going to make money with this type of training, the need to be trustworthy and transparent, how actually compound growth works and how actually compound growth as far as the audience you build and also the money you make, how all of that works, why TOA was created and some proof that TOA actually works, Taking Action Online. These are really good foundation modules. They'll get you to really kind of know Philip's style and how he actually goes about teaching people, and he is very detailed once he gets into the nitty-gritty of how to actually do things. Then you're going to jump onto this action plan. Now this action plan is really where all the magic happens. The very first part of this action plan is a success blueprint, easy for me to say, which again is a number of videos. Now there's about 9 hours training in this particular program, but it's split into a number of different days. So you can take it at whatever speed you want to actually go ahead and take all of these different modules. But the idea is that there's certain things that people struggle with, especially when they first come online, and certain behaviors that they struggle with. And he goes through each one of these in these videos. So 5 issues all successful marketers struggle with. And this is a really key question. How long does it take to make money online? Everybody wants to know that one. Shiny object syndrome. If you've been in the make money online space, especially for any length of time, you're going to have shiny object syndrome. You're going to be buying lots of different types of software. If you see my channel, I do a lot of types of reviews. Overthinking and fear of failure. Imposter syndrome, real for all of us. We all got imposter syndrome. Do we actually know what we're talking about? Do we think we know what we're talking about? Does it really matter? Blissful ignorance versus arrogance. The need to read and the need to be actually building your knowledge up as you're going along and building your business. And then some things around going fast and easy, the beauty of passive income, the truth of building an online business, and then going ahead and starting that business of your own. Now, these are really good foundation videos for you to go through because it really establishes what you're going to be doing as far as the training is concerned and the way that you're supposed to be thinking about building your business. And remember, this business can be in absolutely any niche, any topic that you choose. You can start building a business around that, and he's going to show you how. So I just jump back to the action plan. You then get into the kind of 7 main steps of the action plan. Each one of these is a multiple of videos, and there is some text on each one to explain as well. And there is also some trackers that you can use to actually go ahead and track your progress as you go through. So if I look at the action plan tracker, this is something that you can use. It's a cloud-based tracker that you can go ahead and use and actually tick off as you go through this course so you can see what you've been doing. And basically these are multiple videos that you can go through, and it's going to explain different concepts around this particular topic. Now this is the niche simplicity. Now niche simplicity is something that is really key to understand how to pick your niche in the first place, because a lot of people get stuck on this piece. What am I going to build a business around? What does the niche look like? How big does the niche need to be? Am I going too broad? Am I going too small? All of that kind of stuff is explained within this module. And once you've actually gone through this and done the exercises, you'll come out of this other side with basically a niche that you can start working on and producing content around. So that's the very first step, is picking your topic and picking your niche. And then the rock solid foundations starts to look at how you're going to build your website. So you're going to have a domain name, you're going to build a website, you're going to start putting the bones of that website together, and basically shows you click for click how to do that. You cannot go wrong. If you're using the same software as him, you can basically not go wrong, because you're going to get this click for click. And obviously there is some additional investment in getting your domain name, but you're going to be building a business online. So how would you not have additional investment? It's just something you absolutely need. So basically, guys, this is how to build your initial website to get you going and establish that foundation online that you need. Next up, you're going to be talking about the chosen path to success. So there's a number of ways that you can build an audience online. You can have a blog, you can have YouTube channels, which I've got. There's a number of ways. And he talks about kind of choosing your path to success straight away, so that you can start concentrating on one type of content as we go through further modules. The reason, again, that that's critical is because you don't want to be doing a blog and a YouTube channel, because it'll thin out your time. You want to concentrate on one first and then maybe gravitate over to another over time. So it's really critical that you choose your path to success. And he talks about the pros and cons of each, and you just choose one. Next one is talking about the conversion optimized deployment. Now this is really interesting, because again, it's looking at your website again and doing a little bit more as far as how do you go about building a good website out that's compliant. It talks about me pages and various other types of affiliate disclaimer pages that you might need. How do you build out that website so it's compliant, and you have all of the logos and favicons and everything that you need? Wouldn't worry about this. It's click for click. You just follow along and you do what he says, and you're going to go ahead and you'll have a website that's fully compliant, aligned to Google, has its own properties in Google, and you can actually track who's visiting. So it's really, really good. That, again, very, very detailed. Next up is the irresistible lead magnet. This is interesting because this allows you to gather leads that are going to be your buyers in the future by giving them something for free. Now, he has some done for you lead magnets in here, which you can start with, but he also tells you how to go about and make one using like AI tools to make your lead magnet and make you look really good, that people actually want to opt in and get that lead magnet. This is something that's really important if you want to build up any kind of audience for any type of business, is giving away something for free, and this is where you're going to learn how to do that. Once we have our lead magnet, we have our delivery system. So this is a way that you can go ahead and have an email list that you can start gathering. So you're going to be able to build a web page that people come along and opt into. They get your lead magnet, and then they're going to go onto your list and an email autoresponder, and you can send them out communications, you can send them out offers, you can send them out value. And this is a really, really good way that you can communicate with people and make money on an ongoing passive basis. That's where the passive income comes from, when you have people on your list that you can just promote to, and basically they will buy off you. So email marketing bootcamp, he uses GetResponse in this case. It's completely free to start with, and basically you can start building up your own autoresponder with your own list. And the last up is the time to launch. Now, what do you need to do to actually launch your website, and then what type of content you need to make on a regular basis to actually start getting people over to your site. This is going to put you in a position where basically you have a business that's ready to go and ready to start making money for you. Now, there is some additional things on here which you do not need to get started with. I will make that very clear. But there's a whole marketing academy that he's opened here that you can actually join. And basically, this is going to be a much more detailed version of, once you have everything established, how can you make money on an ongoing basis, and what further things can you do to enhance your business. And this is done over 180 days, and basically this has been proved to build multiple businesses online. There's lots and lots of different tactics in here, strategies in here, lots of things that he shows you how to do. Plus you're going to get some free coaching calls if you decide to go down this route. I stress at the beginning, for your $1 investment, you don't need to go ahead and buy this marketing academy. That's only if you end up building that business that you want to have, to establish in a foundation, and you're really serious about taking that forward. So that's up to you. The other big thing here is you have a feed. Now this feed is kind of a Facebook style feed where everybody in here has actually purchased Taking Action Online, so they're all buyers, and basically they talk about their progress and their updates and what work they're doing. They put questions in here. Philip comes in here regularly, plus a lot of other people will come in here and actually answer questions. There's, there's one from Matt here, talking about his URLs, and then Philip's giving some advice there. Philip also leaves videos in here for people, all sorts of different things that you can have in here, and you're going to be meeting lots of different people. You see these people are all active in the community at the moment. They're all coming to actually come and start looking and putting various posts in here. These are really good resources and really good community to have with you, because whatever you need to know, everything will be here to help you establish your business. So guys, if you're interested in this, as I said, you see the link in the description below. It's literally $1. Go and grab it now. It's worth it for $1 just to have a look at what the training is all about, and I would advise you to get it, because basically this is how I started online and I make money every single day. Hope that's useful to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is School Nomads. Don't forget to hit the link in the description below. Until next time, take care.